Okay, so good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to configure your VPS. This is just a newly purchased VPS, so let's SSH into it. So SSH of the root user and the IP of the VPS and my password. Okay, so we are in. Yours might have a lengthy block of message here. It's always called message of the day. If you want to disable that, then it's chmod and then tag X, and it's stored in HC update and message of the day, and you're just going to add an asterisk there. This one is going to disable that. So one of the things I like doing is not having to type my password every time I want to access my VPS. So for that, we go back to our local machine and go to this command. So it's, instead of SSH, we're just going to say SSH copy ID. This one should copy your SSH keys into this VPS. If you do not have an SSH key yet, let me show you how to generate them. So I can just open a new tab here. So it's SSH keygen, like that. This one is going to generate new SSH keys for you, and you just press enter. I already have the SSH keys. So if I ls stack la and it's stored in the home, you have a directory called /.ssh. You can see that I have this. Okay, these SSH keys, and I also have these. So if you create an SSH key, it should come with the public version. So this is the private key and this is the public key. If you do not have this, you must first generate them by running this command. Okay, so back to terminal 1. We are going to copy those keys over to our VPS. Okay, and we are going to enter our VPS password. So okay, that is step wrong. What just happened? Oh, I think that's done. So just clear the screen, and then we are going to SSH into our VPS. Okay, this time we do not have to enter our password. That's great. Another thing that we should do, especially if you want to run your projects on your VPS, is connect your VPS to GitHub. So we are going to generate those keys I was talking about. So SSH keygen, and just going to leave everything default. There's no paraphrase for this VPS. So it's stored here. We are interested in the public keys. Never share your private keys. Your public keys, those you can share with anyone. So we want to add these keys to GitHub. So I'm just going to read them using cut and copy that whole block from SSH to the end of it. So that is copied. I'm just going to bring my GitHub account in view. So to get here, just click on your profile and then settings. That should take you to that page, and you're going to scroll down to SSH and GPG keys, and you're going to add a new one and paste that. Maybe add a tag to that key, so new VPS, and then add those keys. Mine is going to ask me for my authentication keys, so let me just grab those. Okay, so it's 886 and then 501, and that was added successfully. So I'm just going to take that out of view and then you can test if you can access GitHub. So it's ssh takt and then git at github.com. Yes, let's accept that. So you should see your GitHub username here. If that is done correctly, then you should see that greeting with your GitHub username. So after adding that, then you can clone your repositories. Let me try to clone a private repo that is not accessible to the public. So which one? Okay, I have one in mind. So I love putting my projects here in var/www. Yeah. Okay, that's not yet created, so let's create it. Just going to add in that. Oh, should come here, not there. Why do I keep on messing these commands? Good. So now let's seed into that location. Okay, so we are in that place, and then I'm just going to clone that private repo. So it's git clone git at github.com, and then you're going to specify your GitHub username and then the repo. I don't know, I just don't know, I never get this URL typed correctly. Oh, this time I got it. So we can just ls, and there we are able to clone this repo. If you try this, if you try to clone this repo on your machine, it's not going to be possible because it's a private repository. So that's how you set up your VPS for fast access and then to work with your private repositories. Next, I'm going to show you how you can deploy a web application on your VPS, and we'll be working with a Django application, so stay tuned.